Today I'm chatting about sustainable shaving. I finally got a plastic-free razor, which I'll be chatting about. It's actually a zero waste option, which is awesome. And then I'll be using my shaving cream, which I have a recipe for. It should be like 3 videos down or something, but anyway, if you want to make your own shaving cream, I do have a video for that. It's essentially Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 avocado oil and water. It's very simple to make. I am very excited to try this out because I haven't tried it out yet. I waited to try it out until you guys can do this with me. Leaf razors, they send you individual blades that you have to refill into the razor. And when you're done with the blades, you put them in this tin. And then when this tin is full, which I think they said can hold up to 100 blades, then you can send it back to Leaf and then they'll recycle it for you, or you can take it to a scrap metal recycling. It's zero waste. They sent it with minimal packaging. It's very nice. So let's assemble this razor. I'm very excited.
Me too.
Yeah, I really like the minimal packaging here. So let's see. Get some out. Eee. Come on. Yes. 1. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 because 3 is how much you can do on this razor. You can choose how many blades you want, but I'll do 3. The blades are in here. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see like the... So we'll be snapping those. I've never done this before. I'm very interested. Oh! Totally clicked. Do this one too. Okay. Interesting. A new experience. Quick disclaimer on why it's a little foggy looking. I sanitized it with boiling water and got hard water stains all over it. But it looks like it's a cosmetic thing, so anyway. You unscrew this guy. And then you see you can do your individual blades there. Definitely interesting. Alright.
Why do you snap them in half? Oh, it's just 2 blades.
Because it's 2. They actually released... Oh, okay. So there's little lines right here that you can guide. That's cool. They actually released ones that you don't snap recently. Literally, right after I bought the ones that you snap, they released the ones that you don't snap. I was like, alright, that's cool.
How does it work when you don't snap them?
They just have the blades pre-snapped.
Oh, I see. Snapping them in half.
Yeah.
Not snapping them in place.
To be very careful. And, wait, I think they're just double-edged. Yeah, this is interesting. Because if it mattered, I feel like they would say, you know, like, hey, this side up. Anyway, y'all will learn through me.
We're learning together.
I'll be the test dummy. Definitely not an activity for kids.
Fun for the whole family.
I'm surprised I'm even doing this. I shouldn't be allowed to do this.
I know, you cut yourself on can lids all the time.
I know. I got scars for days. Once those are in, you screw it back in. And then, now you've got your... almost cut myself. Just kidding. Now you've got your razor with the blades inside. When these blades are all used up, I will be putting them in the tin and then returning them. I have a nice little stand here as well. Quick disclaimer, they do not have this finish currently. I actually got this online from a stranger on the internet. It's been gently used.
Gross.
I didn't know. Yeah. Reasons being, 1, I saved $30 on it. 2, like I said, I sanitized it. I wiped it down with alcohol wipes and I boiled it. 3, I really wanted this finish. If this is gonna last me basically a lifetime, then I want to like it, because they only have gold, I think, right now, and I don't really care for gold. Another reason too is I'm not somebody who really minds that kind of thing. I figured it was a great opportunity for me to kind of prevent it from going to the landfill if somebody didn't want it anymore. I'd happily take it off their hands. But that is just why they don't have this finish right now, and I do. It's my little container here.
How many blades does a pack come with?
50 of the 2 double-sided ones, so it actually comes with 100. I would imagine this would last me a very long time. If I remember correctly, this actually wasn't too expensive to buy blade refills. I'll put the price somewhere nearby.
How often are you supposed to replace your blades?
I guess when they're getting dull and rusty and they're not really working for you. Oh, that was another reason why I've been waiting for the finish that I wanted with Leaf's website, but I've been waiting for months. And I finally was like, look, my razors need an upgrade. I'm gonna find this online. So I did.
That works.
I did get the blades and the tin from Leaf. I wanted to show you guys that I'm very happy with the packaging that the person sent the razor in, because paper tape for one, paper tape for one, 2, it's in a cardboard box, 3, they actually sent it in, I don't know if you guys have heard of this, but compostable shipping peanuts. These will dissolve in water. I have a jar to show you guys. These will totally dissolve in water. It's weird. They exist and we should be using them, okay? I don't know if you can tell, but they dissolved.
Are they gone?
Just spit everywhere. Yeah, they dissolved. Isn't that awesome?
That's so quick.
Yeah. So this is a great example of zero waste packaging. All of this can degrade in the compost. It's awesome. And with Leaf Razor too, all of this is recyclable. Metal can be recycled over and over again. It's a closed system. Again, cardboard boxes. Leaf also sent their stuff in paper, which can be composted. Very sustainable. Now let's get to trying it out. Alrighty. I got my shorts on today. As you can see, my leg hair is
Admirable?
admirable. Funny story actually on why my leg hair is so patchy. Genetically, my dad and my grandpa and one of my sisters, as we get older, we lose our leg hair, so that's why it's kind of patchy in some areas. Anyway, that's what's going on there. I'm like low-key a little scared, you know? Because, Alright, let's see. Alright. What I like about this is it's kind of like a safety razor in that it's just blades that you switch out, but it also has a pivoting head, so that makes it really nice. Let's do this other patch.
That looks pretty smooth.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Very soft actually. I feel like other razors you feel the blades against your skin. I don't know.
Looks like it's working fine.
Yeah. This is cool. If I can not destroy the environment with my shaving.
Yeah.
Oh, my leg is looking so good. Oh. I'm glad that we lose hair underneath here first, because this is the hardest place to reach. I'm already starting to lose hair back here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm pretty bare. Ooh, that is very soft and silky. Also, the fact that I have avocado oil in my shaving cream, I think helps a lot. It's weird. It's very soft. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get a little cleaned up, and then we'll look at my camera-ready leg. I just shaved both my legs, and I'm very happy. My legs feel super smooth. Here is my smooth shaved leg. That was there. My legs aren't like, I don't know, you see people with cute looking, sleek legs. I've got like bumps, whatever.
I like them.
Da, 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 da. I don't know if you could see, but I took it apart, I cleaned it out, which is really nice because there was hair in the razor, so you definitely have to clean it out. One thing I will note is I actually don't think I would recommend this for people who are busy. If you have a lot going on in your life, I feel like this would be a hard thing to keep up. Another type of person I might not recommend this for is someone who shaves every day, because I don't shave every day. I shave every now and then. So I only have to clean this out only every now and then. But I feel like if you had to do it every day, it would become kind of taxing. So do with that as you may. This razor is definitely a little heavier than like a plastic one because it's made out of metal, but it's really not an issue for me. Another thing I wanted to mention is storage. It's highly recommended not to store it in the shower because rust. If you want this to last for a while, you're not going to want to put it in the shower and let it get all rusty. I will definitely be keeping this in the medicine cabinet. It actually looks really cute in there anyway. Yeah.
What do you think about the whole thing now that you've tried it out?
I like it a lot. I'm very happy about this. I've been wanting this for a long time. Like, I'm sure if you guys saw the shaving cream video already, you know I've been wanting this. Anyway, so I'm very happy to have it. I'm excited that I will not be putting plastic in the landfill via razors, at least. One avenue. I will likely keep my disposable razors for travel, although I'm not really one to like shave on a trip. Like, whatever. But it could come in handy because I'm pretty sure you can't take these traveling. You could take the blades out and, you know, that can be a hazard. Not something the TSA, I think, appreciate.
Also, we're not going to be traveling for a little bit.
I was going to go to London.
I was also going to go to London.
And we were going to, like, go places.
And see things.
Next year. I want to go to New Zealand.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, that is my sustainable shaving alternative, what I'm currently doing right now. Super stoked. I wanted to share it with you guys. If you're also interested in shaving sustainably, that's what I have to say about that.